ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of Life Made Easy. And sorry if I look tired. I am trying to get this video up for tonight. Apologize for the late upload, just couldn't get around to recording this video. But guys, we're gonna be talking about, in my opinion, the best budget monitor I've ever seen on Amazon. If you can find a better one, leave it in the comment section down below. Also guys, leave a like on this video. Sorry for the poor webcam quality. I'm not using my better webcam. This is my built-in one. This is what we have to work with right now. This is Amazon's choice for a Spectre monitor. Scepter monitor. I can't speak. So Scepter is a tech company. They make monitors, and they make budget ones at this. And I'm definitely going to be leaving a link down in the description for you guys to go check this out. We have a 22-inch ultra thin 75 Hz 1080p LED monitor with 2 HDMIs and VGAs and built-in speakers. I mean, like, to me, this is the perfect deal I've ever seen. I don't think there's a better budget monitor out there, in my opinion. You can either bump it up, you can drop it to 20 inches or go to 24, but I think 22 is the sweet spot, and you can get other combos along with it. The reason why I like this so much, other than the price, is that one, it's 1080p, so you're gonna get sharp images. Nothing's gonna look blurry. It's gonna look fine. And the response time is actually pretty solid. You're rocking 5 milliseconds. I know there's some people who will say you need 2 milliseconds or 1 millisecond if you're extreme hardcore gamer, but for the most part, you can't even tell the difference, and it doesn't matter. Monitors are extremely fast. There's like barely any input lag. And you're gonna be fine. I mean, like, your gaming experience is gonna be fine. This is 10 times better than gaming on a TV, I'll tell you that. Unless you have like some insane 4K TV with Xbox One X or something. Guys, comment down below if you saw the PS5 launch today. I would love to know what you thought. I wish I could have live streamed it, but I didn't have time today. I was really busy. So I like the overall aesthetic. It's ultra thin, ultra sleek. I'm going to be leaving a link down in the description if you guys are going to pick this up. Highly recommend it. This is the type of monitor I would buy like 3 of them or 2 of them. They seem like they'd be a great dual monitor setup with how thin the bezels are and everything like that. Honestly, Scepter, if you want to send me out some monitors and you're watching this, please do so. I'd be happy to review your monitors. I would love to review any of your products. I might hit up Scepter actually, see if they'll send me out something to review. But yeah, mounting type, base amount, 75 millimeters. That's not too important. Dimensions, somewhat important, not really. I mean, it's a compact monitor, no issues here. I like that it has VGA and HDMI, so you have some diversity there, variation. And yeah, there's a gazillion monitors on Amazon, but to me, this is the best one that I've seen, and I'd highly recommend it. And the 75 Hertz is awesome, and it's got built-in speakers, which not a lot of monitors have actually. But with 75 Hertz refresh rate, images change faster and smoother than the standard, reducing screen tearing. That's great. Also has adaptive sync, is a technology that closes the gap between the graphics cards and the monitor's refresh rate, eliminating image tearing. I honestly can't think of a better monitor for the price. Go pick this up, guys. Subscribe, like, hit that notification bell. I will see you guys in the next video of Life Made Easy.